Hi guys, today we're making some dried fish chutney. Start off by adding some boiling water to the dry fish and let the soak. Fry the dry fish until slightly browned. Once fried, remove it from the pot and to the same oil add in some onion, chili, garlic as well as curry leaves. Add in all the spices, that is turmeric powder, garam masala, dhania and jeera powder, a little bit of sugar and mixed masala. Let this fry for about a minute. Let some crushed ginger and garlic fry also with the onions. You can add canned tomato or grated tomatoes, followed by some salt to taste. When the chutney is half done, add back all of the dry fish. Once this is cooked, garnish with some coriander or dhania. Dry fish chutney can be served with some mealie rice, plain rice, or even some bread. Enjoy.